do for my hair. This is what I do for my hair. I take it out like this. And this is like my 3rd day hair. You guys see this? So sometimes I go wash it, or sometimes I do like the re-wetting, but when I'm on the go, I don't have time for that. So what I like to do is section my hair. So I just section right here. I just part right here. And for your hair, because that's not safe. That's not healthy for your hair. So you just work through the whole thing. This is what I gotta work with. I part my hair. So I part my hair like this. This is what I normally would do. I fix the back because it has this thing right here. And then what I grab is my Eco Styler gel. It's like my best friend right here. I just grab a little bit and I just like touch right here. And then put it all over my hair. Grab like a part of my hair like this. And twist my hair. So my hair looks crazy right now, but what I do is grab a little section of my hair like this, and then I start twisting. So I go like this. I go one over, then I have 2 of these, then I grab a section here, and I break apart my hair like this because they're like, it's annoying. So then I keep twisting my hair like so. See that? And then I just keep going down and I just twist this whole thing. And I twist the whole thing. I go ahead and leave it, and then I section my hair. So I already have it like this, and then I section the back into like you're gonna braid. So this is sometimes I grab too much hair. So like right now I grab too much hair, so now I gotta take it back and I gotta redo it because I already have hair, you know, like the braid. So I take one side and then I take the other side. Now for this side I don't twist, it depends. Sometimes I just don't feel like twisting, so I grab a little bit more Eco Styler gel and then I go ahead and twist like this. So I just keep twisting it like this, and then I just twist my whole entire hair so it doesn't look too weird. See, I have this lump here. See, that bothers me. See how I have that lump here? It's gonna bother me, so I gotta redo it. So go like this, and then I grab the back. There you go, so it doesn't have that. And I twist the whole thing. I just keep going like this. So then I use my chin to hold my hair, and then I look at what I got on this side. So what I do is take my braid twist right here, and then I just twist over my hair. See that? I go like that. I don't know, I really like that. But and then twist it like this so it can have hold. And then I go ahead and start braiding. This is what I deal with, guys. So I go ahead and start braiding, but what I like to do is put a little bit more on the right side so that I can hold my braid on the right. So it's like this, and then I don't like it too tight, so I like to loosen it up a little bit, and I just keep braiding. just keep braiding my hair. Do is I grab a hair tie, but I don't have my hair tie with me, so I'm using this big one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it. I like it loose, so then I start undoing my braid like a little bit to make it look you know, all nice and well. You guys, my forehead is like really big, so what I like to do is grab more Eco Styler gel. And I put some at the top right here. And then I start working on these like loose hairs, like the baby hairs. You know what I mean? So I just put enough. And then I work through the... See how I do that? Then I just like an illusion. I just move my hair. And then I just like work it. Like this.
Why say you whack it?
Because... Sorry guys, I'm like have the mirror in my hand because I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I gotta use this kind of mirror. So what I do is grab my hair like so, and then I just start swooping my baby hairs. Just start swooping my baby hairs, guys. You know, I barely have baby hairs, so the hairs that I do have, I like try to work with. Baby hair is you gotta make sure like once you put like a little bit of the Eco Styler that you go ahead and follow up after, because you can't do it like once it dries up because that shit just sticks, you know what I mean? So I do that with my baby hair. Sometimes I use a toothbrush, sometimes I don't. I use this like thin comb, and that's how I like do it. Whatever. So I go like this, and then I work on this side because this side looks dead. Like I said, I barely have baby hair, so whatever I have, I work with. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how I do my hair. And then, you know what? I'm on the go. That's pretty much it on this hairstyle and my hair that I normally do all the time. If my hair is not in a bun, it's usually in a braid, and this is the type of braid that I usually do for my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys.